What's up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel. Guess what? Today we have a makeup look. We have this makeup look that I want to share with y'all. So let's come on in and hang out with your girl for a minute. Okay? Y'all say hey to Baby Royal. She's in the background doing her thing.
looks in the mirror, sees a story unfold. Lines of laughter, dreams untold. Through the years she's walked so strong. Now it's her time, she can't go wrong. No matter the season, no matter the time, the glow in her heart still shines so divine. She's got that fire, that spark in her eyes, ready to soar, ready to rise. It doesn't matter your age, you can still be that girl, dancing through life, giving love a twirl. Dreams don't expire, and beauty won't fade. You're a diamond, breakable, never afraid. She's been through the heartache, weathered the storm, still standing tall in grace she's adorned. Wisdom and wonder wrapped in her soul. Every new chapter she's taking control. No matter the season, no matter the time, the glow in her heart still shines so divine. She's got that fire, that spark in her eyes, ready to soar, ready to rise. It doesn't matter your age, you can still be that girl, dancing through life, giving love a twirl. Dreams don't expire, and beauty won't fade. You're a diamond, unbreakable, never afraid. So wear your crown, let it shine. Own your story, every line. Lift your voice, let it be heard. You're a queen, you're the one. It doesn't matter your age, you can still be that girl, living your truth, letting love unfurl. Time can't define you, nor set you apart. You're forever